So we need to find our unit rate. Did you find your unit rate?
60.
60. So you said, did you use a calculator or did you do it by hand?
I use the calculator.
All right, fair enough. So 210 miles for every 3.5 hours. So I'm assuming if you used a calculator, you said 210 divided by 3.5. Assume the distance traveled varies directly, which means we can use our y equals mx. Write and solve a direct variation equation to find out how far the bus will travel in 6 hours. So our rate, our unit rate is how many miles per hour? What's 210 divided by 3.5? What'd you get? 60. So this was 60 miles per hour. Why do we need to figure that out? So we can put it into our equation. So that means y equals what? 60x. That means 60 times x. Our x is equal to our time, right? So we're going to put the 6 in for x. So we have y is equal to 60. Remember when we're simplifying or evaluating expressions, we're putting in a parenthesis because we don't want this to look like 606, right? We have to remember that when we have a number next to a letter, that means to multiply. And I'm sure you're sick of me saying it, but guess what? I still get 606 for this answer. Y is equal to 60 times 6, which is what? 360. What? What's my unit? What is Y?
Dollars.
No. Miles.
Good job, Logan.
Because if this was miles per hour and we multiplied it by the hour, that would cancel out and we'd be left with miles, right? All right, so you have just a few problems. Let's just do 6 and 7 on page 224. So once 6 and 7 are done, I'm going to be coming around with your practice quiz. And then tomorrow we'll be going over your practice quiz. And it looks like we can probably quiz on Monday. We might do a quick review Monday before the quiz.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Is that a good plan? It's only a 7-question quiz again, I believe, so it's not too long. But do 6 and 7 on 224, and I'll be coming around with that practice quiz and what, in case you want some extra time outside of class. I know some of us like to process things a little differently. All right.